How do you add videos to a playlist? The process has changed lately and it's left many people scratching their heads. So in this video, I will give you step-by-step instructions on how to add videos to a playlist. Keep watching. Welcome to YouTube Talk. I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women how to grow their influence through YouTube. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And invite your friends to join us. Okay, let's talk about how to add videos to a playlist. First of all, because of the changes on YouTube Studio and possibly in relation to all of the COPPA stuff that's been going on, YouTube has changed the process on how to add videos to a playlist. So after much trial and error, I figured out this workaround. Let me show you what I mean. Let's start with adding videos to your own playlist. You can do this during the upload process. So once your video is uploading and you've entered your title and other basic data, scroll down towards the bottom of the page, past the thumbnail, and you will see Playlist. Select the playlist you wish to add to by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Your created playlist will pop up. Choose the playlist that you want to add your video to by clicking on it. You will see a screen like this that shows that your video has been added to the playlist. Click the Done button and you're done. Your video has been added to the playlist. If you still have things to do during the uploading process, then hit the next button and go on from there. Okay, so now let's talk about adding another of your videos to a playlist that you've created earlier. So this is your own playlist and it's your own video. For example, I've created a playlist to house my Instant Pot recipes. My newest Instant Pot recipe is the country style pork ribs. I want to add this to the Instant Pot playlist. So right now, I'm looking at the videos page. Mouse over the video you want to place in a playlist. Note the three little dots that appear. Click on the dots and a drop-down screen will appear that gives you several options. Add to queue, save to watch later, or save to playlist. Choose Save to Playlist. Your created playlist will appear and you will select the playlist that you want. In this case, I'm looking for the Instant Pot playlist, so I'll choose that one. And note that at the bottom of the screen it says Added to Instant Pot playlist. Now I want to add the Black Eyed Peas video to the Instant Pot playlist. So I'll go through the same process. I'll mouse over the video and then capture the three little dots, click on those, and then click Save to Playlist. And then I'll check for the message that indicates it's been saved to the playlist, and then I'll go to the playlist to see that the videos have been added. Now, one of the problems that have caused me a lot of trouble over the past year is trying to add videos to a playlist created by someone else. Let's say I participated in a collab and I wanted to add my video to the collab playlist. I was unable to do that, so I would always have to ask someone else, could you please add my video to the playlist? Well, I finally figured out a workaround for that. Here's what you can do. So as an example, I wanted to add my video to the Artsy Cupcake Valentine's Day playlist. And I wanted to use my pecan pie in a jar, my bourbon pecan pie in a jar, to add to her playlist. Now, I'm going to take it out later because it's not appropriate for that particular playlist, but I just wanted to use it as an example to show you the process. So here you go. So the first thing I did was to go to Artsy Cupcake's channel and find the link for the playlist. I clicked on the link and pulled the playlist up. Now, do you see the little lines with the plus sign? That's your Save Playlist button. Mouse over that and then click it. This saves the playlist to your channel. And if you note in the little dialog box, it says playlist saved to library. That means your library on your channel. So this playlist will now appear in your saved playlist. Next, go to the videos on your YouTube channel and then choose the video that you want to go into the saved playlist. Hover over the selected video. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm using the maple bourbon pecan pie in a jar. So note, when I hover over that video, the 3 little dots appear. And when I click on that, I've got several options. A list of playlist options will appear, but typically the playlists you've been active in most recently or the ones that you've created or saved most recently will be at the top. Select the playlist that you want to put the video in. And since I wanted to put the video into the Artsy Cupcake playlist, that's the video that I selected. And when I first looked at the playlist, there was 8 videos in the playlist. Once I added mine, there were now 9, and so I can see on the screen there's 9 videos in the playlist. But then I will actually go to the playlist, click on it, open it up, and here I am at the bottom of the playlist. So that's how you add videos to a playlist, either one that you've created or one that you've saved. Now here's my question for you. Was this tutorial on how to add videos to a playlist helpful? If it was, give me a thumbs up and drop me a yes in the comment section. So if you still have questions, join me in the live stream for a Q&A session, and that live stream is going to take place as soon as this video closes on the premiere. So again, if you've got questions, join me in the live stream. And I'll also have updates on the upcoming collabs and open invites. So join me on the live stream for the Q&A and the updates on open invites and collaborations. And if you like this video, be sure to check out my video on how to do a live stream. I will link it above with an iCard and link it below in the description box as well. And by the way, if you want to get started doing product reviews on your YouTube channel, download my free product review checklist. It's linked in the description box below, and it is absolutely free. All you need to do is put in your email address and follow the prompts, and you'll get immediate access to it. And if you're interested in growing your influence through YouTube, then subscribe to YouTube Talk. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you next time.